So here's a recent project I worked on for my two teenage girls. They saw a bed in one of the bigger box stores that they liked, and I went and checked it out, but it wasn't really made very well. So I said, let's give it a go with just some regular dimensional lumber, just straight 2x4s. So that's what I did. Went and got a bunch of 2x4s, ripped them down, and sanded them. Just sanded the mess out of those things until they were baby smooth. And then created some spacers, as you can see here, and used the spacers to set them up against the headboard and the sideboard, and used Kreg jig to go ahead and secure and fasten them in. Worked out pretty well, pretty easy actually. So in this shot you can see the headboard and the sideboard. So they wanted a headboard and a sideboard. So and then you can see here is the headboard, sideboard, and the footboard. Just used 1x6 there for the top of the footboards. So you can see them fit together. But the next thing was to figure out how to attach the rails. So I found this hardware. The piece on the left attaches to the headboard and the footboard, and the L-shaped bracket on the right attaches to the rail. So it can be easily, assembled and disassembled. You can see the photo of that here. And there's the rails as we're getting ready to put. I just ripped another 2x4 for the base. Once I put it together, it kind of rocked back and forth a little bit, shimmied. I didn't really like it, but boy, once you drop that 2x4 in there, you drop the plywood in there, it just tightens it right up. I couldn't believe how sturdy, how strong it was. With that, there was not much left to do, but we threw the mattress on and let them doll up the room. You can see the shelving that I made, just straight, same pine. Sanded it down, completely unfinished. The girls found some pine boxes, and, according to them, the room looks great, smells great, and they love just how eventually the natural oils from your skin and just being in the room begins to bring out the grain. So far, they're enjoying it. The last was they had surfboards that were being stacked in the corner, so all I did is took some 1-inch dowel. I think it was 1-inch poplar dowel, and same old 2x4s, just put a little simple 45 bevel on them and found the studs and hung them up. The foam is AC, 1-inch AC insulative cover.